Another brilliant stretch that you can do at your desk is called eagle arms, and it's a fantastic releaser of tension for this area up here. So hold your arms out to the side in line with your shoulders and then cross them at your elbows. Bring your palms around to meet each other and then breathe. You should feel a lovely stretch across your upper back. If you'd like to feel a deeper stretch, then simply raise your elbows by 5 or 6 centimeters. Stay here for 30 seconds, breathing deeply, and then release. And do the other side. So this time, cross your elbows the other way, palms go around to meet, and you might find that one side is much, much tighter than the other. If you want that deeper stretch, then raise your elbows up 5 or 6 centimeters, and don't forget to breathe. 30 seconds here, release, and that is it.